Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make French toast at home without eggs. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need about 8 slices of thick bread, like brioche or challah, 1 cup of your preferred milk, and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Also, have a shallow dish ready for dipping and a non-stick pan or griddle for cooking. This method is surprisingly easy and yields delicious results. Now, let's create our egg-free batter. In your shallow dish, whisk together 1 cup of milk and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour until smooth. Next, incorporate 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar and a half teaspoon of vanilla extract for flavor. Continue whisking until there are absolutely no lumps, ensuring a consistent and creamy texture for dipping your bread. This simple mixture replaces eggs perfectly. With your batter ready, it's time to dip and cook. Quickly immerse each bread slice into the batter, ensuring both sides are evenly coated without becoming soggy. Heat a griddle or non-stick pan over medium heat and add about 1 tablespoon of butter. Cook each side for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, or until golden brown and slightly crispy. Repeat for all your slices. Your delicious eggless French toast is now ready to enjoy. For a classic touch, serve it warm with a generous drizzle of pure maple syrup and a handful of fresh berries. You can also dust it lightly with powdered sugar or add a dollop of whipped cream for extra indulgence. This simple, satisfying dish is perfect for any breakfast or brunch occasion.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.